Close your eyes and sit in a comfortable position. Sit as comfortable as possible. If you wish, you can lie down. Just observe your breathing. Slowly and comfortably breathe in, and slowly and comfortably breathe out. So breathing, you make it as comfortable as possible. You're just slowly breathing in and slowly breathing out. With every exhalation, your body is getting relaxed. You're getting more and more relaxed. If you're finding any kind of difficulty, you just try to change the position you are sitting. You see that you are relaxed, your body is relaxed. Now take all your attention to the soles of the feet, toes of the feet, sorry. Take all your attention to the toes of the feet. Just see how they feel, the little beautiful toes of your feet. If you wish, you can gently touch the toes and say, thank you, I love you. And then coming to the dorsal part of your feet, the upper part, taking all your attention to dorsal part of your feet, say, thank you, I love you. If I am unkind or unloving towards you, please forgive me. Thank you, I love you. And then coming to the soles of the feet, the bottom of the feet, take all your attention, or you can gently touch this part of your body and say, thank you, I love you. Soles of the feet is the part of your body which is helping you connect to the Mother Earth. When you're walking, standing, or while sitting on a chair, most of the time you are keeping the feet on the ground. Let us acknowledge this part of our body and say, thank you, I love you. And then coming to the heels, you may feel sometimes the heels are cracked or hard, rough. Now take all your attention to this part of the body and say, thank you, I love you. Thank you, I love you. And then coming to the ankles, ankle is a part of your body that is a small bone, which is carrying the entire weight of your body. Gently touch this part of the body, ankles, and say, thank you, I love you. If I am uncaring towards you, I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you, I love you. Coming above to the shin bones, shin bones are the part of the body which doesn't have cushion. Whenever it hurts like anything. When you're playing or cycling or doing something, it hurts at the shin bones. It hurts like anything because these bones doesn't have cushion. Now acknowledge this part of the body and be kind to this part, taking your attention to the shin bones. Thank you, I love you. Thank you for all your contribution. Then coming to the calf muscles, just behind the shin bones. Calf muscles are the part where all the emotional hurts are stored. Gently touch this part of the body and say, thank you, I love you. If I am unkind, unloving towards you, I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you, I love you. Then coming to the knees, knees are the part of your body which helps you to move forward in the life. Moving forward and resistance doesn't go hand in hand. Any resistance you have that is affecting your knees. Now take all your attention to the knees, front, back, the entire knee portion. Gently touch this part of the body, knees, and say thank you, I love you. If I am unkind, or uncaring towards you, I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. And then coming to the thighs, we have a lot of judgments about our bodies, including the thighs. People judge the thighs as I have beautiful thighs, my thighs are not so beautiful, or bulky, or lean. Whatever the judgments you have, just for time being, keep all the judgments away aside. Keep all your judgments aside and be kind to this part of the body, the thighs. Say thank you, I love you. Thank you, I love you. When you talk to the body like this, it helps body to release all the stored emotions, negativities, negative energies, memories stored in the body, which are not contributing for you. And those energies are the memories which are causing different issues or the difficulties for you in the form of health as well as outside problems. When you're acknowledging each and every part of the body, you are when you're conveying your gratitude and love towards each and every part of the body starts releasing those emotions, hurts, memories, negativities, energies, whatever you may call. All those stuck energies will be released. Now coming to the hip bones, whatever judgments you have about your hip bones, hips, hip joints, just for time being, keep your judgments away, aside, and acknowledge this part of the body. Thank you, I love you. Thank you, I love you. Then coming bit above at the root chakra. Root chakra is at the end of the spinal cord, where the genitals, rectum, excretory system are there. Now, most of the time we have judgments that I should not be a male or I should not be a female. And whatever the gender associated judgments you have, just for time being, keep all the judgments away. Whether you have heard since childhood, when you were a kid of 3 years or 5 years child, you must have heard your parents saying, instead of this girl, if we had a boy, it would be better. Instead of this boy, if we had a girl, it would be better. Girl child, it would be better. And all those things and all the judgments so far, whatever the judgments of others you have received, and whatever judgments of you have stored, all these things are stored at this point, the root chakra. The root chakra is all about a basic instinct, the survival. Whatever may be the judgments, whatever the beliefs you have, just for time being, keep all your judgments aside, even including about the sex, whether it is sex is good or bad, The exercise should be in this way, that way. So many people have so many types of thoughts, beliefs, and whatever you have in the form of judgments, beliefs about this gender related, gender associated judgment, just for time being, keep all the judgments aside and acknowledge this creative part of your body. This is the most creative part of your body. Thank you. I love you. It is part of you. And say, if I am unkind or unloving towards you, I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. When it comes to excretory system, like the constipation or hemorrhoids, which are also known as the piles, and these related issues appears because of the emotional constipation, call it as. Dr. Hewlin once said it is the constipation, emotional constipation. And the same thing is reflected in our excretory system in the form of constipation, hemorrhoids, which is also known as the piles. It is the past incidents, whatever happened in your life, any kind of unforgiveness, hatred, resentment is there in your life, that as long as that energy is stored in you, that energy only reflecting in the form of excretory system related issues. You just forgive yourself for holding on to those past incidents, past beliefs, whatever may be the situation, however the person, the other person, people or situations have behaved towards you. It doesn't matter. Now it is only you. You need to take care of your body, your health, your life. And any kind of forgiveness, releasing the energies is not related to other people or other situations. It is only for you to release your pain, to let go of your pain, issues, difficulties. Just for time being, try to forgive yourself and the others. You can use this simple phrase: I am willing to change. I am willing to change. I am willing to forgive. I am willing to forgive myself and others. I love myself and others. I deeply love, accept, and respect myself exactly as I am. Loving self is not about loving after achieving some things, after reaching particular position, or after having one specific physical appearance, like losing the weight or gaining the weight, building the muscles. It is not about the other things. You need to love yourself the way you are. Then your body starts helping you to release all the unwanted energies which are causing the heavy weight or emotional weight, the obesity or leanness, what you're going through. Once you love yourself, your body will take care of you. Body knows. Only thing is we need to communicate. We need to be one with our body. I love myself and others. Love is everywhere. I am the love. I am loving. I am lovable. I forgive myself and others. It doesn't matter if you don't know the procedure to forgive, how to forgive myself and how to forgive others self. If you don't know the procedure, no need to bother. Just being willing to forgive is enough. The universe, the divine, the body will take care of it. And then coming to above, the lower abdomen, the low back. When it comes to lower back is the part of your body which is helping you to sit in a position or to stand in a position in the which position you are. Whatever the position you are in your life, your lower back is helping you to sit and stand in that position. Gently touch this part of the body and say, thank you, I love you. If I am unkind or uncaring towards you, I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you, I love you. Then coming to the front part, the lower abdomen. Lower abdomen is the part where the large intestine, maybe small intestine is there. I'm not sure which are the organs are there. But most of the things, most of the systems in our body are working on autopilot mode. The sacral chakra is there, just below the navel is the lower abdomen. And sacral chakra is all about the pleasures and whatever the judgments and beliefs we have about the pleasures. Pleasure should be like this, whether the person should enjoy the pleasures or should avoid the pleasures, like that. Whatever the judgments, beliefs, thoughts we have, just for time being, keep all those judgments aside and acknowledge this part of the body and say, thank you, I love you. Thank you, I love you. I'm saying the words, thank you, I love you. When I say this, you need to express your gratitude and your love to that particular part of the body in your own way. You just say that you are expressing your love and gratitude to that part of the body. It doesn't matter which words you're using, it is only your feeling of love, feeling of gratitude. Then coming to the middle back and the abdomen. Take your attention to the middle back. Say, thank you, I love you. Whenever it comes to the difficulties or issues related to spinal cord, it is because of the ancestral memories. Whenever you have any kind of spinal issues, whether it is accidental or any other related, any other kind of spinal related issues, pains or sprains or disc prolapse, whatever is there, it is the ancestral memories stored in our subconscious which are replaying as these spinal issues. Just let go. You just say, I am willing to let go. I am willing to let go all the ancestral memories. It is only your intention. You did not to know the exact phrase or the exact prayer to let go of the energies or the memories. If you are willing to let go, if you have intention to let go, it will be released. Now say, I am sorry for all the accumulated memories, space beings, entities, earthbound souls, family members' deeds, their thoughts, relatives' deeds, their thoughts, ancestors, their deeds and thoughts, and all the negative energies stored in you, which are reflecting as spinal related issues or the back related or back pains. Please forgive me, and if you don't mind, please let go of all the accumulated memories, space beings, entities, earthbound souls, family members' deeds, their thoughts, relatives' deeds, their thoughts, ancestors, their deeds and thoughts, and all the negative energies stored in you, which are replaying as back pain or spinal related issues. Thank you. I love you. After the middle back Coming to the front portion, the stomach, upper abdomen. Gently touch this part of the body and say thank you, I love you. Thank you, I love you. This part of the body is the middle back and the upper abdomen is the place where the solar plexus chakra is there. Even though in Hawaii, chakra concept is not there. As per Indian literatures, we are taught that 7 energy centers are in the body, which are known as the chakras. Let us acknowledge this chakra. What about the whatever maybe the science and the this thing theory maybe? Let us try to release the negativity stored in this part. And the solar plexus is all about the self-esteem, self-respect. Just acknowledge this part of the body and say thank you, I love you. And then coming to the upper back, the chest position, taking attention to your upper back. Say thank you, I love you. And then coming to the front portion, the chest position where the heart chakra is there. Say thank you, I love you. Chest position is the part of our body when we are doing well or when we have achieved something, then we want to show up. I have done this, that, and all. I achieved this and all. And whatever the times when you're not feeling so well, your chest muscles are shrinking. Just acknowledge this part of the body and say thank you, I love you. Thank you, I love you. If I am unkind, uncaring, or unloving towards you, I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you, I love you. And this is the place where the heart chakra is there. Heart chakra is all about love and forgiveness, receiving the love and expressing love, be able to forgive, and all the forgiveness, unforgiveness, hatred, the emotions, all these stored in the heart chakra. Whenever the heart chakra is out of balance, you feel that the relations are not working well, not going well. Any kind of relation, whether it is spouse or parents, kids, colleagues, business partners, neighbors, friends. And every one of us would like to have loving relations around us. When the things are not happening in such way, when people are not acknowledging, not giving up importance to us, then we feel the lack of self-love, lack of self-esteem. Now it's time to let go of all these limitations, whether it is self-hatred, lack of self-love, or whatever the limitations you have about you, your body, position, situation, finances. The easiest way to have excellent relations around you, each and every place, wherever you go, you feel only love. You can express only love. The easiest way. Just keep your palm on the heart chakra, chest position. And say, I completely forgive myself for all the known and unknown mistakes I have done in my life. I completely forgive myself for all the known and unknown mistakes I have done in my life. God, please forgive me for all the known and unknown mistakes I have done in my life. I completely forgive anyone or any situation who have hurt me knowingly or unknowingly. I completely forgive anyone or any situation who have hurt me knowingly or unknowingly. God, please forgive anyone or any situation who have hurt me knowingly or unknowingly. If you have someone to forgive because of any past incident happened in your life, or if you want to have very good relationship with any person, you just take the name of that person and say to forgive one person. I completely forgive this person. You can say the name of that person. I completely forgive this person for hurting me knowingly or unknowingly. I completely forgive this person for hurting me knowingly or unknowingly. God, please forgive this person for hurting me knowingly or unknowingly. God, please forgive this person for hurting me knowingly or unknowingly. Now coming to the shoulders. Shoulders are the part of your body where all the burdens are stored. Whatever you're burdening in your life, responsibilities, burdens, and all the related emotions, burdens are stored in the shoulder part. Take all your attention to the shoulders, or you can gently touch the shoulders and say, "Thank you, I love you. Thank you, I love you." If I am unkind or uncaring towards you, please forgive me. Thank you, I love you. And then coming to the biceps. And biceps is the part of the body you want to show how strong you are, a strong man. And whatever the judgments we have about the biceps, whether they are looking good or not good, or bulky, beautiful, not beautiful, whatever the judgments, beliefs we have, just for time being, keep all the judgments aside and say, "Thank you, I love you. Thank you, I love you." Now coming to the elbows. And elbows are the part of the body which is helping you, supporting you in many ways. Now take all your attention to the elbows and say, "Thank you, I love you." And then coming to the forearms. Forearms are known as the part of the body which shows the resembles the self-respect. What if somebody is holding your forearm and pulling without your permission? How you feel the hurt, and whatever the emotions, the lack of self-respect, lack of self-esteem, lack of self-love, whatever you have felt, those emotions are getting stored in the forearms. Acknowledge this part of the body, gently touch this part of the body and say, "Thank you, I love you. Thank you, I love you." And then coming to the wrist, palms, fingers, both front and back of the palms. And this is the place of the part of your body which we are using to gift and receive, giving, receiving, gifting, receiving the gifts or receiving the things. When there is an exchange of material things, it is not only the material things which are being exchanged. When you are exchanging the things, energies are being exchanged to the palms. So this part of the body is holding all the emotions, sorry, all the energies which are being transferred from person to person. Just for time being, take all your attention to the palms, fingers, wrist, and express your gratitude and love to this part of the body. Thank you, I love you. Thank you, I love you. And then coming to the neck, throat, Neck and throat is a place where the throat chakra is there. Throat chakra is all about expressing the truth, the inner voice, whatever you believe, whatever is true for you, that you need to be able to, you'll be able to express easily. If there is any kind of obstacle expressing in your voice, that means there is some imbalance in the throat chakra. Just for this moment, be kind to this part, the throat and the neck. Gently touch this part or take your attention and say, thank you, I love you. Thank you, I love you. And most of the time, any kind of the hatred and unforgiveness stored in the body is causing, reflecting as the neck pain, also the back pain. Just be kind to this part of the body, neck, and say, thank you, I love you. It will take care. Before going to the head, let us acknowledge the parts, the organs of the body which are working on autopilot mode. We have respiratory system. Without our conscious effort, it is working 24/7, and that too working in a perfect way. When you are walking or doing some exercise activity, your breathing is quite fast. When you are resting, your breathing comes down. It is working in a perfect way. That is without your conscious effort. Similarly, heart is pumping the blood, circulatory system, nervous system, digestive system. There are excretory system. There are different systems in our body, and they are working on autopilot mode without our conscious effort. Be thankful to each and every part of this body. Be thankful to the system, digest system. Thank you, I love you. Without asking the body, we are filling the stomach with whatever the things we like, whether it is good or bad, whether it is good for the body or not, that we don't know. Whatever you're feeling, we're feeling in the stomach, and it is many times causing the different issues like acidity or some other discomfort, stomach related problems. Just for time being, be gentle to the digestive system and say thank you, I love you. If I am unkind or uncaring towards you, I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Circulatory system, the heart, thank you. I love you. Respiratory system, thank you. I love you. Nervous system, thank you. I love you. There are different organs on which I don't know or don't remember the names of the organs in our body, like the pancreas, liver, kidney, spleen. There's so many things in the body. Even I don't know names or I don't remember the names of the organs. And whatever the organs you remember, you just acknowledge all the organs of your body for working you 24/7 in a perfect way, that too without your conscious effort. Express your gratitude and love. Thank you. I love you. And then coming to the head, back of the skull, back of the head. Back of the head is the place where all the incessant thoughts and all will be going on, that is causing the headache. All those frustrations are stored in the back of the head. It is causing head to pain or headache. Just acknowledge this part of the body and say, thank you, I love you. Thank you, I love you. And then coming to the ears, acknowledge the ears are contributing you. My dear ears, thank you, I love you. And any kind of resistance you have about the things you don't want to hear, or you don't want to hear about people, or you don't want to hear the voice of those people. If you have any kind of resistance, that is reflecting in the form of ear infections. Whatever may be the past incidents or whatever may be the people or behavior has happened, just for time being, acknowledge this part of the body, ears, say thank you, I love you. If I am unkind or uncaring towards you, I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you, I love you. Now coming to the face, close the entire face with both the palms, eyes, nose, lips, face, close. When you're closing the face and the eyes, just look into yourself, the inside, how beautiful you are. Your beauty is all about your self love. Many times, the people who are looking so beautiful, they may feel they don't look so beautiful or they don't like themselves. And at times, people who are not so beautiful from outside, they feel they love themselves like anything. And everybody starts loving them, and everybody likes to be in the company of them. It is about their self love. And whatever you have, the hatred, self hatred, lack of self love you have about you, now it's time to let go. Just look into yourself when you are closing your eyes and face with the palms. Just see yourself, feel the presence of you, your body, you as a being, and say, I am willing to forgive myself. I am willing to forgive myself for all the misconceptions I have about myself. It is not the real you whom you are hating, who have developed the self-hatred and lack of self-love. It is only your judgments, your misconceptions. Now you can let go. and say, I am willing to change. I am willing to forgive myself. I am willing to change. Now say, I love myself the way I am. I deeply love myself exactly the way I am. I deeply love, accept, and respect myself exactly the way I am. And face is the part of the body where a lot of emotions you are hiding just because you don't want to show up your the helplessness or the frustration, pain, anger, things, and all those emotions are hidden or stored in the facial muscles, starting from forehead, cheeks, chin, lips. Just acknowledge this part of the body, the face, and say thank you, I love you. I am sorry for all the stored emotions. Please forgive me. Thank you, I love you. Acknowledging the nose. Thank you, I love you. Nose has a lot of contribution for us. It's helping us to find the fragrance, different fragrances of different foods and different things, perfumes and all. And above all, it is giving a particular shape to us to make us look so beautiful and so handsome. What if you are born without the nose at the place where it is? It is quite crazy. So be grateful for the nose for all its contributions, for being so beautiful, so handsome. Nose, thank you, I love you. Then coming to the teeth, tongue, the entire mouth. Thank you, I love you. And then coming to the top of the head, where the Sahasrara is there, solar plexus chakra. Solar plexus is a place, the chakra in our body. Once it's activated, then you feel connection with each and every universal molecule. There is already there is a fundamental connection between each and every molecule with you. Once the solar plexus is activated, then you can experience that oneness. Once you experience that, your life is fulfilled. No need to take reincarnation, no need to born again in another body. Just touch the top of your head, the solar plexus, and say, thank you, I love you. Thank you, I love you. Now take your attention to whole body, starting from toes of the feet, legs, torso, hands, head, top of it. Just feel the presence of the body and say, my dear body, thank you, I love you. If I am unkind or uncaring towards you, I am sorry. Please forgive me.
We're having
Thank you, I love you. Just embrace yourself with both hands as if you are hugging another person. When you hug another person, how you hug, like that, you embrace yourself. And whatever the lack you are feeling, as you don't have any other person to share your feelings, opinions, you don't have a partner, no other person who is able to understand you, all the cause that is causing the loneliness. Just be yourself and acknowledge yourself. You are already 100%. Then what is the need of another person to fill your life? But you need to be satisfied with yourself. Then only you can express your love, gratitude, help, or support to others. Thank you. I love you. Loneliness is just a thought which is going through your mind. Thought can be changed. Be with yourself, be with your body, be with your being. Be satisfied with yourself, with your life. Say thank you, I love you. Now taking your attention to the chair where you're sitting or the bed where you're lying. Acknowledge this and say, my dear chair, thank you, I love you. Chair is an entity, it has its own conscious, subconscious, and superconscious mind. Just acknowledge the chair and express your gratitude and love to the chair. Thank you, I love you. Now keep both the feet on the ground if you are sitting on a chair, or if you are lying on a bed, you just say, imagine that you are connecting to the ground. The roots are going from your feet to the ground of the building, going to the ground floor of the building and going deep into the earth. You are connected to the Mother Earth, to the building where you are sitting. And now acknowledge the room where you are sitting. My dear room, thank you, I love you. If I am unkind or uncaring towards you, I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you, I love you. Now to the whole building where you're sitting, entire building, thank you, I love you. To the Mother Earth, thank you, I love you. Thank you for all your contribution. Thank you, I love you. Now take all your attention to the person who gave this beautiful gift of this body, the mother. Whether she is with you or not with you, whether she is supportive or not supportive, it doesn't matter. The thing is, she has given the beautiful gift of this body. Express your gratitude and love To mother, my dear mother, thank you, I love you. And the father, even though he's just an instrumental to bring you into this body, you have the responsibility of respecting and acknowledging the parents, the father and the mother. Just we express your gratitude to the father, whether he is materially supporting or not, whether he is with you or not, whether he is alive or not, it doesn't matter. Express your gratitude, my dear father. Thank you. I love you. Now coming to the siblings, relatives, family members, kids, friends, neighbors, all the known people in your life. Express your gratitude for them for being in your life. Thank you. I love you. Thanks to all of you. I love you all. Thank you for being in my life. Thank you for being in my life. Thank you. I love you. Thank you for being you. Before closing the meditation, let us express our gratitude and love to the most important person in our life, one and the only person whom we can rely on. There is only one person who has given the gift of this life, gift of this body, the Almighty, the universal creator, the divine, the God. Whatever the form or whatever the name you believe in, you just take that name in that form. See that you are in a temple or in a place of prayer, and the divine form, your favorite form, your favorite name of the divine, the form whichever you believe, you have faith. That divine form, divine is standing in front of you in a sacred place. It is not just a statue. The divine is standing in the human form, alive, and you are bowing down to the divine, the feet of the divine. Just surrender to the divine, bow down to the divine, to the feet of the divine, and say, thank you, I love you. Thank you, I love you. Thank you for giving me this beautiful gift of this life in this body. Thank you, I love you. Whatever you want to say or express your feelings or whatever you want to talk to the divine or say, now it's the best time. You just express all your feelings, emotions, whatever you want to convey to the divine. Take your own time. Thank you. I love you. Once it is done, you can open your eyes with beautiful smile on your face.